What's the meaning of alphanumeric? Alphanumeric. 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 Alphanumeric.
The term alphanumeric refers to any string of characters that includes both letters and numbers. This can include any combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, digits, and other symbols. The use of alphanumeric characters is common in many areas of computing technology, such as creating passwords, file names, and product codes. In short, alphanumeric characters provide a flexible and versatile way to represent data in various formats, with the ability to include a wide range of characters for identification or communication purposes.